of the Virtual Circuit Exploration Lab. Up top it says you're going to still use that website to make a circuit that turns on a light using 2 batteries, 1 light bulb, and as many wires as you want. So if you go back to your screen and you still have a bunch of stuff from the last part, if you look at the bottom right of the screen, there's this little reset button that takes everything over. It said 2 batteries, a light bulb, and as many wires as you want. And remember, if you connect them, the connection turns black, and you're going to make the light bulb light up. So this one, I'm going to not make my light bulb light up on purpose to show you how to do the next part, but your light bulb should, well, actually I will. You can connect it, so the light bulb's on, everything's connected, the light bulb works. Then it says to cut the circuit between the wire and the light bulb. So I'm going to cut it. And then it says I'm going to insert these different items one at a time into that gap. So a dollar bill, a paper clip, blah, 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 blah. You have to click this down arrow underneath the switch to find those. So there's the different parts. You're not using a fuse, but I'm going to show you how to do it. You'll do the same thing with the dollar bill, the paper clip, the coin, the eraser, and the pencil. So I'm going to take one of those things that you're not. I'm going to connect it so the light goes back on. And then I'm going to fill that object into one of these 2 sides. Objects that allow electricity to flow, I'll make that nice blue there, means it's a conductor. Objects that don't would be then an insulator. So how do we know it allows objects to flow? That means the light turns on. So for me, I would type fuse over here. You're not using fuse, so you're not going to put that. Light does not turn on if it's an insulator. You'll do that for each of these objects and tell me either it turned it on, so it's on this side a conductor, or it did not, so it's an insulator. Then your 2 questions are, what do the objects in the left side have in common? The conductors, and then down here for number 2, what do the objects on the right side have in common? And that's it for part 3.